The Honor 400 series is allegedly coming around the middle of the year, which incidentally is also when the Honor Magic V4 should become official. Earlier this month, a leak told us what to expect from the Honor 400 devices in terms of chipsets, and today a new leak out of China brings more details about the displays. The Honor 400 is apparently going to have a 6.5-inch, 1.5K flat screen, while another model will boast a 6.78-inch, 1.5K display with a quad-curved design and symmetrical bezels on all four sides. Both of these will have batteries of 7,000 mAh capacity or more, and both will be powered by the yet unreleased Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC. That chipset isn't a surprise for the Honor 400, since the 300 used its predecessor, but the Pro version of this mid-range line has so far gone with an older 8 series SoC from Qualcomm, and the previous rumor on the Honor 400 devices also claimed the Honor 400 Pro would have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Thus, there's most likely a new player in town. Whether that will be labeled Honor 400 Mini or something like that, or if the 400 will get the 6.5-inch screen and the other Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 model, with the larger screen, will be called something else, remains to be seen. Intriguingly, the source of this information claims Honor is also exploring even smaller displays for the range, going all the way down to 6.3-inch, which seems to be the new mini sweetheart for Chinese smartphone makers these days.